Welcome, today we're going to show you how to check in Air Canada step by step. So the first thing is to actually just open the website as see from here, or you can open it from the Air Canada app. So you need to just open it from here. After that, from here you can actually sign in or make an account. And after that you can click on check in, and now the check in menu will appear to you from here. So now from here you need to enter the booking reference and the passenger last name as see from here. Then you can click on check in as see from here. Also you can download the app as I already said to try to check in from the app. So it's a lot easier from the app. So the check-in tips will be displayed from here. So you can type your booking reference from here. It will look like this. Also you need to write the passenger last name from here. After that, click on check-in. And now if it was right, it will be a successful check-in. Also, you need to make the check-in 24 hours before departure. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.